You're inside of a sealed chamber.
Yeah. Seriously, my nightmare. I just wanted to see some plants. That's all.
Thought you were going to a garden
Just
tour.
wanted to go to a garden tour.
So, Ashley, where are we at?
The University of Arizona's Biosphere 2.
So the biosphere, I was reading, is isolated from the Earth by a steel liner.
Really?
The whole bottom of it is a steel liner, like a ship. So it is a ship filled with dirt with a glass roof on it.
So the point is it can sustain itself. It doesn't need
It
any
is completely
earth in
isolated from the Earth, and the glass is sealed airtight. And the first group went in, I'm sure they're gonna tell us all this on the tour. Went in like 87 or something. No, construction was 87, 94. The first group of people. And people lived in this.
Oh.
It was an experiment to see if people could live on another planet, could
okay.
sustain themselves. So they're like 7 people went and lived inside of it. So, what was your favorite part about the biosphere?
Definitely the long tube. Where
Long tube that went to the lung?
uh-huh.
That was my favorite part too.
Yeah.
I wanted to know what the
Crushing
lung
anxiety
was.
was super fun.
And then we got to go see the lung. It was so exciting.
The lung was really cool though.
The lung is awesome.
The lung was really cool.
But your favorite part was going down the tube? It's like being in a submarine.
Oh yeah.
My favorite part was the tube.
Great.
And when they opened the
40-year-old
door.
woman trying to tell herself, just calm down, just breathe. We'll be out of this soon. It's no big deal.
I think this is one way out. Are you doing the face right now?
Shut up. But we're here to see plants.
It's getting better.
I know.
It's getting better. It's getting smaller. It's
We're
getting
just
even smaller.
I don't know. I guess I just wished that we spent more time like being able to like glance around in the
Plants?
Yeah. But I enjoyed the plants.
the doors for windy.
I do like the windy door.
Come on, go faster, cameraman. Go.
Perfect.
Okay, let's get on. We stayed at
Pikachu.
Picacho, whatever.